Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah Muhammad dari Sidi Muhammad. Benar to Mr. Dr. Haji Hadi Mahadun MLG and Mrs. Dr. Khairatul Idawati MBD as the Director of Lara Bahni Building School Foundation and Honorable Mrs. Subrantan Hassan SPD as the Headmaster of Lara Bahni Junior School and respectable to all of my teachers, Laura Bahanipida Junior School, and most respectable to my parents and the beloved family. Today, I will explain about Cidelaras. Cidelaras, this story, this is in a long time ago. In the Cindela kingdom, he had two wives, queen and the concubine. Both of them were beautiful, but the concubine had a bad personality. She was jealous of the queen and wanted to take her place. She planned to make the queen leave the palace, and the queen. And so the concubine carried out the plan. She asked the palace healer to help her. They said that the queen she went to poison the king. Hearing this, the king was angry and he sent the queen to the jungle as her punishment. Little did king know that the queen was pregnant. In the meaning, uh, pada zaman dahulu di kerajaan Sigala itu rajanya memiliki dua istri, Permasyuri dan Selir. Tapi Selir ini benci kepada Ratu Permasyuri ini dan agar Permasyuri ini pergi dari istana. Maka ia itu mencari cara untuk supaya ratu ini pergi dari istana. Dan kemudian caranya yaitu memfitnah ratu itu Hawa, yaitu meracuni raja. Raja yang mendengar itu pun sangat marah dan kemudian yaitu mengasingkan ratu itu ke dalam hutan dan yaitu tidak mau tahu bahwa istrinya itu hamil. The queen now lived in the jungle. She gave birth to a healthy baby boy named Cindelaras. He grew up as a nice and handsome man. When Cindelaras and his mother went to collect some firewoods, he saw an eagle. The eagle dropped an egg. Cindelaras took it and took care of it. The egg hatched into a chick and later grew into a strong rooster. And the rooster was mystical. He was very strong and dwelling with the other rooster. He could also sing. He sang a song about Cindelaras and his feather. And this meaning dan pada saat di hutan ratunya itu melahirkan seorang anak laki-laki yang sangat sehat, namanya Cindelaras. Cindelaras tersebut tumbuh bersama ibunya di dalam hutan tersebut. Dan pada saat itu Cindelaras ingin mencari kayu bakar bersama ibunya. Dari kayu bakar bersama ibunya dan dia itu mengetahui ada burung elang membawa telur dan telur itu jatuh padanya dan ia pun mengambil telur itu dan saat itu telurnya itu pun pecah menjadi menetas menjadi ayam kecil dan kemudian itu menjadi ayam jago. Ayam jago itu sangat kuat sekali dan yaitu jika ia beradu dengan ayam lainnya, ayam jago itulah yang akan menang, yaitu ayam Cindelaras. And decided to go the palace to meet the king, his father. He broke when Aunt Cindelaras heard the song. He ignored it. The rooster kept singing song until Cindelaras was up. He asked his mother about the song. The queen had told him everything. Cindelaras was surprised to know it. He decided to go to the palace to meet the king. His father, he broke the roster as well. On the way to the kingdom, he met many people who did the roster fighting. Cindelaras joined and he always won. The king, Raden Putra, also heard about the greatness of Cindelaras roster. He invited Cindelaras to the palace to fight with his roster. Is the meaning Cindelaras pun mendengarkan mendengar lagu itu. Saat yang mendengar lagu itu, itu pun terkejut dan rupanya Anyam itu sering menyanyikan lagu itu. Dan dia pun dia pun ia pun menunjukkan ayamnya itu kepada ibunya itu pun menjadi kejutan bagi Cindelaras tersendiri. Dan ia pun menuju ke istana untuk menemui ayahnya, yaitu seorang raja, dan bersama ayam jagonya itu. Saat perjalanan banyak sekali yang minta duel dengan ayamnya Cindelaras tersebut. Tapi saat Cindelaras gabung, ia itu ayamnya itu selalu menang dan ayahnya yaitu Raden Putra yang seorang raja itu mendengar bahwa Cindelaras ayahnya Cindelaras itu selalu menang, dan ia pun mencari Cindelaras untuk diundang ke kerajaan tersebut untuk bertanding dengan para ayam jago yang lain. The king made a bid. Cindelaras won. He could get all the king jealousy, but after he lost, he will be sent to jail. Cindelaras agreed, and the roster started fighting. As he goes, Cindelaras roster won, and the roster then singing the song. My master is Cindelaras. He lives in the jungle. His father is a king. His name is Raden Putra. When hearing the song, the king was so surprised that he asked about Cinderella's origin. The palace healer admitted the true story that the queen was innocent and that all that the things that happened in the past were the concubine's evil plan. The king was angry and ordered concubine to be sent to jail. And the king then went to the jungle to pick up his wife and made her queen again. Dan saat itu Cindelaras pun bergabung pada tersebut dan ia pun menang dengan mudahnya. Dan ayamnya Selipika pun menyanyikan lagu tersebut, yaitu Tuanku Cindelaras itu merupakan anak dari Raja Jenggala yang bernama Raden Putra. Seketika Raden Putra sebagai raja pun terkejut dan mengetahui kebenaran Cindelaras, dan ia pun mengetahui yang sebenarnya tersebut. Ia pun mengetahui bahwa akal busuk dari selirnya tersebut, dan ia pun memenjarakan selirnya. Dan kemudian dia itu membawa kembali istri, dan Cindelaras kembali ke istana. I think enough about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.